For those seeking the best window services Loves Park has to offer, our team of expert window contractors in Loves Park is ready to assist with all your window needs. Whether you require window installation or window replacement, Loves Park, we provide top-notch services tailored to your specific requirements. Our residential window replacement Loves Park services ensure your home is equipped with the latest energy-efficient windows, enhancing both comfort and savings. Our commercial window replacement Loves Park services are designed to meet the unique needs of businesses, offering solutions like window tinting, Loves Park, and window insulation. Loves Park to improve energy efficiency and privacy. We specialize in custom windows Loves Park, providing personalized designs that match your aesthetic preferences and functional needs. Our vinyl window replacement Loves Park options are perfect for those seeking durability and low maintenance. Window frame replacement. Loves Park is essential for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows. Our window sealing services Loves Park ensure that your windows are airtight, preventing drafts and reducing energy costs. Regular window maintenance. Loves Park is crucial for extending the lifespan of your windows, and our team is equipped to handle all aspects of window upkeep, including window caulking Loves Park and window hardware Loves Park. For those interested in window upgrades Loves Park, we offer a range of options, from double-hung windows Loves Park to advanced window glazing. Loves Park. Our window glass replacement Loves Park services address any issues with cracked or broken glass, while our window pane replacement Loves Park ensures your windows are as good as new. We also provide window sash replacement Loves Park to restore the functionality of older windows. Window weatherproofing Loves Park is vital for protecting your home from the elements, and our window leak replacement Loves Park services address any issues with water intrusion. Our window screens Loves Park are perfect for keeping insects out while allowing fresh air in. For added privacy and UV protection, consider our window tinting Loves Park services. Our energy-efficient Windows Loves Park options are designed to reduce your carbon footprint and lower utility bills. We offer a variety of styles, including vinyl windows and double-hung windows, to suit any home or business. Our window contractors in Loves Park are committed to providing affordable window installation Loves Park without compromising on quality. In conclusion, whether you need window glass replacement Loves Park, window caulking Loves Park, or any other window-related service, our team is here to help. We pride ourselves on delivering the best window services Loves Park has to offer, ensuring your windows are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Contact us today to learn more about our comprehensive window replacement Loves Park solutions.